This week I've put together a before and after video of a set of photos of a child's bedroom, something that I always enjoyed doing, and all the more so for this one because it was my own daughter Abby's bedroom. So here we were 2 years ago, living in clutter, mishmash of furniture, struggling to find the time or the money to make our house the way we wanted. But we took a hold of this room and said, right, we need to make this better for Abby's sake. And so I went to Sketchup, as I always do, and started laying out a plan. The centerpiece of the idea was a tall set of wide sliding doors that would hide away a lot of clutter, neatly organized, well planned. So there was a place for clothes, a place for books, a place for games, etc. And then really trying to minimize the amount of stuff that needed to be stored elsewhere, but integrating a bunk bed, which Abby really liked the idea of, for sleepovers and things, and rainbow wallpaper, which again was the key thing in her brief for me, and then a simple desk which we got from IKEA. It all really works very well. One interesting thing was that the chalkboard, which I thought would be a great idea, she hardly used for the first year and a half, but then just in the last few weeks she's rediscovered the chalks and suddenly taken to scrawling all over it, as I'd always hoped she would. So you never quite know when kids will really latch on to something that you thought was a good idea, but in this case she eventually did. If you're watching this planning a child's bedroom renovation of your own, feel free to get in touch, even if it's just for some friendly advice. It's Freebird Interiors, you'll find us on Google, and feel free to subscribe to the channel where I'll continue to update on projects that we're working on at the moment, how we build them, how we design them, and do comment. Thank you.